What's up, everyone? This is Luke Evan Brooks. Do you want to know how to create a squeeze page in 2 clicks, 2 minutes? Well, stay tuned. I'm about to show you how I do it. If you haven't already, please go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and hit the subscribe channel button, the notification somewhere around here. Go ahead and hit that and then hit the notification. That notification icon should be a bell. Once you hit that, you will get the latest updates to all the videos, all the uploads that I post on this channel. And I do post very often. Now, by the end of this video, I will show you how to take any ClickFunnels web page and add it to your account in a matter of 2 clicks. A squeeze page, if you do not know already, squeeze page is designed to squeeze a visitor's email address by offering them something in return. So it may be a free report, it may be a free software, it could be something that encourages them to say, hey, I want to get this. I don't mind giving up my email address to get this. Now, this encourages those visitors to opt into your email list to collect more information for you to get from them on products and services that you may offer on that main squeeze page. Now, the problem is a lot of us out there who are new to building web pages or landing pages don't have the experience of making an attractive squeeze page. And it's time consuming. It can be frustrating, and you end up paying more money. There's a lot of people in those groups, such as ClickFunnels Avengers or ClickFunnels official page, where they say, oh, I build you a landing page, but you got to give me $800. And you don't even have to go through that, guys. This is what triggered it for me. I had a lot of students get frustrated, and I was frustrated too. I had one guy do me like that, and that was it. I was one and done. And they were tired of spending hours. They were tired of giving people money for some bullcrap web design that really didn't capture what the guys that they were looking at or emulating had. So, with my partnership with my team, we decided to go ahead and give them exactly what they want. And it was definitely designed by a few good engineers here, that we wanted to make sure that they have something that can actually take them to the next level. A lot of folks won't tell you this, but when you try to talk to someone, say, hey, can you share me your funnel? I'm not going to use it. They're not going to share. They're going to no, absolutely not. But they're quick to drop a link that's a ClickFunnels link. And you can take that ClickFunnels link and go see exactly what's going on with that page. You can literally grab what they have. I'm going to demonstrate to you how this looks. So stay tuned as I take you to the next side of this. So guys, now we're in my back office. And with that being said, you can go through here. You can put so many here. I think you can have about 20 of them. I'm not for sure. I don't use a whole bunch of funnels to create my products to get the sales that I need to have. But you're first going to need a ClickFunnels account to get this going. And then you're going to have this bad boy right here, which is in the Chrome Web Store. Easy Page Cloner. To be exact, ClickFunnels Easy Page Cloner. You need to get that. You can go down the link below to try this out here. But what we're going to do is just go to a typical ClickFunnels page, right? And this is how you can identify what's a ClickFunnels page. Let's refresh this. And this is for anyone's ClickFunnels, to be exact. You'll get this notification, right? It says funnel page can be copied, right? So let's go back here and let's go build a new funnel. And this is not technically a squeeze page, but you could. We're just going to select something here. There we go. And you can pick any one of them. It don't matter. You can pick any one of them. And you get this funnel, right? You're going to lose your mind once you see this happens. So we'll let that run in the background. As you see home of the sales funnel. This is someone's thing that they created, right? This is not something that usually happens. You can see someone made this landing page. So that's just me pulling someone's stuff up. So they just made a page to show, hey, these are all the links you can go to. And I just Googled them. Okay, guys, this had a momentary lapse here. I was messing with the website here. You know, it's all good. But let's go back to what I was showing you. So this should be already up, right? We got it here. Let's say we want to take this page, right? Let's say someone say, hey, this is neat. They got everything in here. Someone can just run on here. This look like this is coming off someone's web page, right? But since we already had a notification, guess what we're going to do? We're going to click on Easy Page. Copy this clone page, right? It's copying it. All right, let's go back over to our page. Go to Edit Page. So you got this bad thing going on here, right? So what we'll do is go back, paste in editor. Look what you just created. Now, I gotta refresh this because my computer's acting a little slow, and I apologize for that. Might be time to update or upgrade my computer. Let's paste this one more time. There we go. Now look at that. This is the perfect embodiment of what we just seen. Now, what you will have to do is change your links up. But basically, it has taken everything that you needed and basically put it into your account. So you will save this, right? Make sure you save it. I'm going to assume that that's saved. Then we're going to go to preview. Now guess what that happened? Guess what happened right there? We did that not in 30 minutes, not in 10 minutes, not even in 5 minutes, 2 minutes with some change because of my computer being slow. So as you see, it copied word for word. And let me refresh this again because sometimes the scripts act stupid like this. So here we go. So when someone comes on here now, you don't even got to ask a person, hey, can I borrow this? This looks neat. You can basically have this posted somewhere else, which I might use myself. I might go in here and take off all the links on here and make sure that they're my links. Now, is this an ethical thing to do? It depends. You know, at the end of the day, it's not like you're going into this person's traffic. You found this on the website and now you have copy it. Now, for the people, how does this affect you money-wise? You can get this, and if you wanted to truly, as far as entrepreneur goes, you can actually take this portion right here and sell your services to anyone. Say, I can copy any ClickFunnels website for you for your funnel. Or you can do this on your own. You can create your own pages, the ones that you like. And this don't require you to go in and manipulate multiple things. You can actually have this thing going for you in the background and really make a solid hit. You know, for me, if I was to promote this, I'd probably put it on like a YouTube page. You know, it's like, hey, check this out. Or just direct them to go to a link as far as you opening up ManyChat or any type of automation. Say, hey, these are some of the resources that I'm using to help people. And just direct them to it. I mean, most of the stuff is free on here anyway. So the books are free. You know, they're not costing you anything. You can watch the webinars. These are free training tools. These are the things that you really need to actually get your business going to help people. And there's some things that I'll probably change on here too. I would not use ClickMagick. I would use my own product, which is Link Wizard, which will be down in the description below. And I will be using Active Campaign, not ConvertKit. So guys, I hope that this helps you out. I hope that everyone understands how this works. This is a matter of a couple of clicks here. As long as you have a page, you can actually have this on your account. ClickFunnels page to be exact. Because, that'd be the question. Hey, can I use this on anything? You want to use it on a ClickFunnels page. And that's pretty easy to detect when you go to the ClickFunnels page. And one of the other strategies I tell people is like, hey, what is your closing rate? You can go in those groups. What are your closing rates as far as your opt-in rates? And like, oh, you are? Okay. Can I see your website? Can I see the link to your website? Yeah, sure. Because they're going to be eager to send it to you. And then you can look at it and you can take what you like and what you don't like, actually, and then manipulate it the way you want to. And you can see if it's really converting, because if it's converting, it's converting, right? And you can ask those people questions like, what are you using to get these things to convert? Are you going for paid traffic? Are you just promoting on your email list? Are you going on YouTube? What are you doing to get that high opt-in rate? And you just go there and repeat the process. And this is technically going with what Russell Brunson say about, hey, don't recreate the wheel. You want to go ahead and make it your own, but you don't need to recreate it. So there's something there for you guys. So I hope that this helps you out. Again, tell me what products that you would like to see for us to make for you. That is a ClickFunnels page. And if you want that to happen, we'll make it right here on the show, and I will give it to you personally. So guys, I thank you for tuning in. Please, there's links down below to the free course to ClickFunnels. This is going to help you out, along with some of the other free products that they offer. So guys, if you're serious about making changes in your life, go ahead, click on the courses down below, click on the links down below to be exact. And if you want to go ahead and take advantage of ClickFunnels Easy Page Cloner, go ahead and click on the first link down below. I'm telling you, this is less than a McDonald's Happy Meal. You can't miss out on this, and I promise you cannot miss on this offer. This is definitely something that's going to actually help you drive your sales. So whether you're a person who sells your services or someone who's just trying to get that perfect web page or that squeeze page or funnel to actually create your line of service to your customers, try it out. All right, guys? All right. I'll talk to you later. Take care, please. Oh, also, don't forget to subscribe. If you like this show and many of these shows like this, please go ahead, like, subscribe, and share our content. And don't forget to hit the bell notification. Again, my name is Mr. Luke Evan Brooks. I'll see you soon.